against Newsom, turns the corner, drives, scoops it up and in. What a shot by JP Collins. Miller gives it to Newsom. Newsom slams it over the thigh. The thigh against Bates, spins, attacks, nice move, and gets the basket plus. For Holt, drive inside, Quinto. He gets fouled, and that's a basket for Quinto. That's a #1 pick right there. As Quinto makes another impossible shot. Abby driving. Look at that Euro.
Yes.
And he gets the friendly roll. Abby steps, shoots a three.
Oh.
Abby drains a three. The ball pulls up against Hodge.
Oh.
What a shot by Stephen Holt.
Stephen Holt.
Ooh, what a crossover by Banquero. Drops it off to Miller for the slam. Newsom drops it off. Oh, extra pass for the exclamation point.